Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. My name is Robert and this is my first vlog. So with this video I plan on doing a little walk around of my car, showing you things that I've done to it so far, show you a few parts and things that I have stacked up in the garage of things that are coming soon. But before I show you guys anything, I kind of want to talk a little bit about things that I plan on doing with my YouTube, my channel, anything and everything with videos. Plan on doing install videos, tutorials, vlogs. Don't really plan on vlogging much at events or car shows of anything like that. Kind of want to do more videos, more about me and my car. I'll show you guys things with my friends here and there. But before I show you guys anything, I kind of want to talk a little bit about my life. And if you followed me on Instagram for a while, that you know before I had my sedan, I had a coupe. 2012 SI, same as my sedan and everything. When I lost my coupe, found the sedan, but before I found the sedan, I was trying to look for a Type R. Things didn't work out with the dealership, got the sedan, and I'm happy that I found the sedan because it gave me a little bit of joy and a little bit of motivation to finish my project of what I was doing with my coupe, and not to really say that I did things wrong with the coupe, but it gave me a second chance to do things a little bit better. But before I talk about it, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of it. So here it is. Alright guys, just pulled the car out the garage, wiping her down right now. Get a quick look at her. So I'm going to show you a little bit about my car and things that I've done to it so far. Alright, so first things first, the first thing I'm going to talk about is my front lip. It's JDP Engineering. I messaged them on Facebook and I believe it's $300 to $400. And it only fits for the 2012 front bumpers. I have Precisionworkz headlights that are retrofitted, just all clear, no amber signals, with projectors, with the HIDs. UAE Grill. Took the SI emblem off just to keep it simple and clean. I have 3-piece Weds that I got from VR Wheels. The fronts are 17 by 10 with 205/40 tires stretched. And the rears are 17 by 10s with 215/40s in the back. Some chrome door handle covers that I got from Amazon for like $20. OEM Window Visors for the 2012 sedan. Have carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber diffuser, if you can see it. Go on to the inside. Kind of hard to see, but I have Hydrodipped dash from Main Coast Customs that I bought off their eBay page. They do a lot of cars, a lot of newer cars, and they post a lot of it onto their eBay page. But the dash pieces are hydro-dipped, and then also the Glovebox kind of dark so you can't see. I have Buddyclub carbon fiber steering wheel. Didn't want a quick release, went with this one just so I can keep my buttons, which is nice for the radio controls because I don't have a double din. 2012s don't come with double din. 13s and 15s do. Let's see. Also have a dash cam, which is up there. One of the very first things that I bought, especially right after my accident. One of the best things that you can have. Down here you can't see it, but I have tire pressure sensor, monitor so I can watch and see how much tire pressure I have in my tires, because debeating is not fun. Skunk 2 weighted shift knob. That's pretty much it for the inside. I don't have anything done to the motor at the moment. I am stacking parts still to do something that I will talk about in a minute. Ultra Racing front strut bar. So Ultra Racing trunk brace with Sadistic ironwork bag bracket with 4-gallon tank, 2 compressors, 400C 3P airlift management. Oh shit. So the reason why I have nothing done to the motor at the moment is because I plan on doing a Skunk 2 manifold swap. So this will be going on really soon once I get all the bits and pieces to finish it. And at the moment I have most of them, but the only things I'm really waiting on right now at the moment is injectors. Fuel rail is coming in the mail with fuel lines. ECU, so I'm debating on either Hondata or K-Tuner, but I'm leaning more towards K-Tuner just because the screen. Still need coolant bypass, and then a few hose and lines and hardware that I still need to finish everything, and then also intake. So the next piece that I have that I'm waiting to do, which is going to go for the manifold, is K-Tuned throttle body. Breather. Some reservoir covers, battery tie for K-Tuned, radiator cap, K-Tuned coil cover, a few more things coming in the mail and stuff like that. I'll definitely put them in future videos, future vlogs, tutorials, or install videos, or any of that, so you guys will see all of it when I get everything and put everything on. One of the big things, the reason why I'm waiting to do everything and put everything on, is because I want to take a lot of the things off my car, like redo my wheels and powder coat them, the centers and the lips and everything in the barrels, just to refinish everything, to have everything looking nice and new. Also do my strut bars, the harness bars, all that stuff. I plan on getting seats. Trying to figure out to either to do powder coating or to do like metal coating, either chrome or copper. Waiting to do all of it at the same time because I also have Brimbos from the Acura TL Type S. I still need to get rotors and pads for the Brimbos for the fronts. What I plan on doing with the brakes is powder coating them the shocker yellow from the STIs. Not too sure if I want to do my valve cover, intake piping, and so on in my engine bay to match with it. So I'm kind of on the edge with copper and then shocker yellow with the engine bay and doing things like that. So there's not much more that I can show you guys. If I did miss anything, or if there's something that you want me to go more in detail with, let me know down in the comments. Hit me up on my Instagram. But that's pretty much it. There's not much more that I can show you guys. So peace out and see you guys in the next one.